For years, our routine have relied on cleansers, serums, and moisturizers. But a new era is beginning, one where innovative beauty tech is controlled to transform how we can follow our skin. Today's topic is next level skincare. We are talking about technology powered skincare that you can use right from the comfort of your home. From LED face mask to AI powered skin analysis tools and cosmetics apps. Skincare tech is no longer futuristic. It's here, it's smart, and it's transforming the way we care for our skin. And with fast, seamless broadbands like EE's powering all your home devices, incorporating these innovations into your daily routine is now easier than ever. So let's explore the top 3 ways you can enhance your skincare routine using smart technology. And yes, these are science backed. Number 1, LED light therapy mask. Let's start with the one of the most hyped but scientifically proven tools, LED face mask. They look like something from a science fiction movie, but they are FDA cleared and clinically used by dermatologists. How it works: LED light therapy uses different wavelengths of light, red, blue, and near infrared, to penetrate the skin at various depths. Red light, around 630 to 660 nanometers, boosts collagen production, helps with anti-aging, and reduces fine line. Research published in the Journal of Photochemistry and Photobiology has demonstrated these effects. Blue light, around 415 nanometers, kills acne-causing bacteria called Propionibacterium acnes. Near infrared light helps reduce inflammation, sun damage, and improves blood circulation. Other colors, examples: green for hyperpigmentation, yellow for redness. Emerging research supports the benefits of other wavelength for specific skin concern, although more extensive studies are often needed. Science fact: studies published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology show that red light therapy can significantly improve skin elasticity and hydration over 4 to 8 weeks. How to use it? Use 3 to 5 times a week for 10 to 15 minutes. Apply on clean skin. Pair with antioxidant-rich serum for better absorption. Pro tip: use your mask while streaming your favorite show using your connected broadband. It's multitasking beauty. Part 2, smart mirrors and skin analysis tools. Smart mirrors are equipped with high-resolution cameras and specialized lighting to capture detailed images of your face. Sophisticated software that analyze this image, identifying various parameters. They analyze pore size, wrinkles, oil levels, dark spots, UV damage, hydration levels. Some even provide personalized product recommendations and daily progress tracking. Handheld skin analysis tools often work in conjunction with smartphone apps. These devices use sensors to measure various skin properties directly and provide immediate feedback on your skin condition. Science behind it: AI-powered cameras capture high-resolution images and process them using machine learning. Over time, they can detect subtle skin changes even before you notice them in yourself. Popular devices include High Mirrors, ForYou, Luna Fofo, Lumini AI. Benefits: custom tailored skincare, early detection of skin issues, motivation to stick to your routine. With high-speed broadband, this device stay fully synchronized with their apps, updating your skin progress daily. The scientific advantage of these tools lies in their ability to provide objective and personalized data. This information can empower you to make more informed decisions about your skincare routine, track the effectiveness of different products, and identify areas that need more attention. For instance, if the analysis has low hydration level, you might focus on incorporating more hydrating serums and moisturizer. Studies exploring the accuracy and reliability of these at-home skincare analysis tools are ongoing, but the potential for personalized skincare is significant. Part 3, Skin and Cosmetic App. The third tech tools is skincare and cosmetic apps. These are more than just filters. They are personalized skin coaches in your pocket. Top apps to try. Number 1, YouCam Makeup. Try on virtual skincare and makeup. Number 2, Skin Vision. Scan and monitor for early signs of skin cancer. Number 3, Wrinkle. AI that tracks wrinkle progress and suggests anti-aging strategies. Number 4, Trovoskin. A complete skincare diary plus product tracker works. These apps collect personalized data on your skin type, environmental like humidity, UV index, and products used to suggest changes and improvements. Many apps integrate with smart home devices like humidity sensors and variables to help you understand how sleep, stress, and hydration affects your skin. And with reliable broadband, your skin data synchronize across devices instantly, no lags, no delays. Bonus, combine all three for powerful routine. Here's where it gets exciting. You don't have to choose just one. Combine these three for a full circle small skin routine. Number 1, start with skin scan using your smart mirror. Number 2, get real-time insight from the app. Number 3, treat specific issues with your LED mask. With stable broadband like EE's at home, all these gadgets work effortlessly. No buffering, no synchronized issues, just smooth skincare tech at your fingertips. The scientific value here lies in the potential for data-driven skincare. By tracking your progress and receiving personalized recommendations based on AI analysis and experts' input, you can optimize your routine for maximum effectiveness. However, it's important to choose reputable apps developed with input from dermatologists and to remember that these tools are supplementary and should not replace professional medical advices for serious skin conditions. The final thoughts. You might not think tech apps go hand in hand, but Kate Thomas, senior beauty editor at Maria Claire UK, says it can actually be incredibly helpful. And she's right. From reducing acne and inflammation to tracking aging signs, smart skincare is empowering to take control for skin's future with science, precision, and innovations. As we embrace this new era of tech-powered radiance, it's crucial to stay informed, choose wisely, and remember that technology is a tool to enhance, not replace. A foundational understanding of our skin's needs and the importance of professional advice when necessary. What are your thoughts for incorporating technology into your skincare routine? Have you tried any of these devices or apps? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below. So there you have it, 3 smart science-backed ways to upgrade your skincare routines at home using simple technology. Whether it's LED light therapy, ultrasonic skin, or smart facial, these tools can take your glow to the next level without expensive visits. Remember, great skin isn't just about what products you use, it's about how you use them. And now, with just a little tech and consistency, you can truly glow up from the comfort of your home.